Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got a case that I think you're gonna like. Stay tuned, let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, I got the Galaxy Note 8 case for you all to check out. It's a premium case. And you're going to see in a second the beauty of this case. This case is very nice. Now, I got this from a website called Kaaum. Kaaum. Google can't even pronounce the name. But this is the website I got it from. I spent $24 on the case. And I already know what you're about to say is too much. But let's just check this out first. And then you hit me in the comment section down below and let me know if I left some change on the table. Okay? So with that being said, this is a metal bumper case. Premium case, that is. That means the bumpers is metal. I don't know if the buttons are metal or not, but we're going to find out in a second. I want to give you a heads up really quick. Now the screws that go to this thing, because you have screws at the top, you have screws at the bottom on both sides, and if you drop this on carpet, I'm telling you, it's going to be hard to find, especially if you have shag carpeting. Okay, so make sure you be careful when you're assembling this, right? So let's go ahead. Let's take a look around the case. Now, this is your button, your volume rocker, your Bixby button. On the other side, you got your power button. You got your cutout for your ports. Zoom this in so you can get a better look. This looks beautiful, but the cutouts for the ports seem like they're going to work perfectly. We're going to find out when we put the case on. So I didn't put the screws on because I wanted to make this real easy to demo, right? So let's go ahead. Let's take the top off. Now I want you to listen to this. Metal, not plastic, but metal. Okay, this is going to add a premium feel to your case. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's slide this in. See if everything works. If everything lines up. See if we can put this on behind the camera. Right, it pops right on. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you line it up and then you can put your screws in. Okay, so with that being said, let's take a look around. I mean, this looks good. I like that color, that blue, and it looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. Look at this case. This case is awesome. Zoom this in real good. This is awesome. All right. You're going to be a boss at the table when you get this case. This case is off the chain. But let's see if everything works, right? Now, we see that the ports line up. The ports for your S Pen, your USB Type-C, your speaker grill. Seem like it matches up okay. And then you got the 3.5mm jack. Can we get this S Pen out? Yep, I can get the S Pen out. No problem. Push it back in. Okay, that's cool. All right, volume button. Not volume button, but the power button. Cuts it on and off. Very clicky. Responsive. So let's go ahead. Let's turn this on and see how the volume button works. Okay, volume button works. You see, very clicky. Very responsive. And this is the Bixby button, but I don't have Bixby on. So, but everything seems to fit well. Okay, now there's one other thing we got to check out. Got to make sure that it charges with the case on. That's important. So you've seen that. So it works. Okay. Let me show you right here. Zoom that in. Okay, so it's charging. All right, not bad at all. So yeah, how does it feel in the hand? Awesome. Now the thing about this case, if you look at this case is super, super thin. Never had one this thin before compared to other cases that I've had in the past. So when you hold this, this is going to be very thin. This is not going to give you that maximum protection that you may be looking for. So if that's the case, then this case probably isn't for you. But for everybody else who wants something premium, something that's going to feel good in your hand, something that's different from all the rest that's out there, this is the case for you. It's a metal bumper case. This feels really, really smooth. Not slick, but smooth. I like it. It does look premium with this little inscription. I could have dealt without this. I wish I had kept that. But other than that, it's solid. Very solid. Very premium in the hand. You're going to love it. Me personally, yes, $24. Not bad at all. I didn't have no problem with it. I paid for premium, and this is what I got. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it was really informative. Hit me in the comment section below. Again, let me know your thoughts on this case. And with that, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell before you leave. And I will see you all at the next video. Take care.